Welcome to the Open Fender System Installation Guide for the 2015 through 2019 GMC HD 2500 through 3500. Our goal is to provide this comprehensive instruction in manageable sections so that an individual will feel comfortable during the process. This is not a replacement for the professional skills and experience required. Disclaimer: all liability for installation and use rests with the owner of the vehicle. Careless installation and operation can result in serious injury or equipment damage. For professional installation only. Using a grinder and abrasive pad, start by grinding the pinch seam and seam sealer flat about 1 inch up from the cut to allow the cover plate to sit flat. Apply duct tape to the upper cavity in preparation for foam. Then, drill a 3/8 inch hole in the front face of the rocker channel 1 inch above the cavity. Leave enough clearance around this hole for the head of the included push pin. With the hole drilled, fill the cavity with a full tube of the provided foam. Be sure to complete pumping until the tube is empty, otherwise the foam will harden in the mixing nozzle. If excess foam escapes the cavity, let it dry and cut it off. Let the foam sit for at least 5 minutes, then remove the duct tape. Install the provided cover plate by pressing it up and in towards the center of the vehicle. Using a 3/8 inch socket on an impact driver, install 2 1/4 inch self-drilling screws with bonded sealing washers provided in the hardware kit.